Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I'll be providing an update on the latest status of the Christmas Village for this year. As you can see here, we basically already completed, the tiering of the buildings, in addition to the placement of the buildings as well. This is more or less kind of like what the final setup would be, with the minor additions here or there. But you can kind of see too that all the buildings that kind of like had like water features, like that mill to the left and also that brewery to the right, have kind of been incorporated with the channel. And there's a short that I made to kind of like show a little bit like how I did some tiering with that brewery, just to kind of like make it look like it was more of a seamless look. In addition to the London backdrop, we needed to elevate it a little bit just so you could see it a little bit more. And that was another YouTube short as well that you could check out as well. And I'll be sure to include those links in the description. Another upcoming video would be just like some more like workshopping with that Christmas farm. So you can kind of see there, it's like that water tower. We did elevate it a little bit. And then, we also gave it a little tiny platform behind it to kind of show kind of like, a little bit more depth, again, with the small trees in the back to kind of like make it look like it's like they're farther at a distance with the bigger trees in the front. So just more to come on that one. And then, I think in another video I created as well, again, it'll be in the description, was kind of like the little platforms on the, like the flat sides of these stands that I made. Again, just to kind of give it some more interesting dynamic aspects to it, where you could place like little trees and little deer figurines. And then also I'll be sure to check out another video that I made about like setting up this river. Because again, we did have to like reposition the base of the mountain a little bit to make space for that. But you can kind of see here that it's been incorporated pretty nicely. Just it works really well with the accessories that we have. And again, this is just progress, more to come. But feel free to like and subscribe to follow us along. And thank you again.